Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanchita. I create videos on books. Today is Hanuman Jayanti. May the blessings of Lord Hanuman be with all of us. On this auspicious occasion, I present to you Tale of Hanuman. Lord Hanuman is a Hindu god. His life is an inspiration for all of us. This book contains stories right from his childhood. Each story has a deep moral. Lord Hanuman was born as the prince of Sumeru. His childhood was full of mischief and learnings like all of us. He grew up to be a strong and wise prince. He is known by different names such as Maruti, Anjaneya, Bajrangbali, and so on. How did he happen to get all these names? What was his contribution in the battle against Ravan? If you want to understand the greatness of his unwavering devotion towards Lord Ram, then you should read the Tale of Hanuman. In life, we often face criticism or are joked about. It might be because you signed up for that marathon or that dance class, or when you stand up against bullying or unequal distribution of work. Lord Hanuman also faced criticism, but he did not reply in the same tone, in spite of being a strong and wise prince. He kept working hard and his actions showed his greatness. I know, being humans, it is very difficult to control our emotions against criticism, but we should pray to Lord Hanuman and request him to help us in controlling our emotions and motivate us in working hard. Soon, our actions will show our worth. What do you think? Let me know in comments. We in India grow up hearing stories about Lord Hanuman, but reading about him is an altogether different experience. He met so many wise men and sages. He was so humble, he learned from them. He also encountered demons, but he dealt with them using both wit and strength. His activities also have lessons for corporate life. He showed the importance of prioritization when he carried the mountain for Sanjeevani. The book has beautiful illustrations showing different characters. The language is simple, which makes it an amazing gift for children. It is also a great option for late night reading, or it can be read at any time. Even for adults, it's a very good option. You should read it, especially if you are going through a rough patch and need some moral strength. So what are you waiting for? Grab your copy if you have not read it. If you have already read it, do let me know in comments how you felt after reading it. For more such reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Again, may Lord Hanuman be with all of us. Happy Hanuman Jayanti. Thank you.